All right, everybody. Welcome to Mikado. We are here on Drive on 2025. So that's our booth here. So we got this customized vehicles from some of our clients and some are pre-owned by us. So we got this 6-liter diesel. It's a complete top to bottom rebuild. It's a Ford Power Stroke 6-liter and have a semi-international turbo on that. And we got another one. So let me show you here. So we got this another. That's a Chevy 88 Blazer S10, and this is one of our worthy of the client. And we did most of the mod of this car, like the lights, and also we did a lot of trims from inside on this vehicle too. And let's go for another one.
The girl them skill arty. Thunderball, some give it up, some give it up, some give it up to our girls. 5 billion and 40 naughty shorty. Baby girl, all my girls, all my girls. Thunderball say, well, woman, the way the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature to shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom.
So we got here some cool cars, and one of this is a Honda Civic. I don't know what year is it, but it's SI. And the best part about this car is its embroidery on the manifolds and the wall cover on top, which looks good. We mostly do the rebuilds on the car, engines and transmission on Italian and German cars. But after watching this, I got inspired. Probably next year on the show, I'm going to put one of my own car with a white body kit like this and the deep dish rim. As you see from this side, they are like extreme super clean. And hopefully we're going to put one of our BMW, not the Honda. We'll go with a BMW or Mercedes, one on each. So
Agora sinta a pancada. Sinta o grave extremamente forte.
we are just planning for next year because this is so inspiring. When I see this car, the wheels, it's so sick. It's a track car, or you can say it's a show car only. They don't have any plates on the car. It's like towed up by trailer for the shows only. I got Lamborghini uplift gates from both sides, as you can see. So on the back, either they do have a deep dish, and it's kind of baggy with a white body kit on it, and it's dropped out. So we are probably going to do the same thing with one of a BMW or Mercedes or Audis. And this exhibitor got two cars. One is this, and another one, it's a Nissan. I think it's 350 or 370Z, and have a panel like a Tesla. As you can see, the big screen, and same thing. Got some crazy wheels here. Looks like golden carbon fiber lip outside of that thing, but it's amazing. To be very honest, this car got most of the carbon fiber ever on the show. I see here it's carbon fiber all over. The top cover is carbon fiber, and this engine mount on top. So we are probably going to do one of our car for next year like this. Let's hope for the best. Let's move to the next now. So we got here some Subaru. It's a front lip carbon fiber, and complete all over the lips are carbon fiber. I think it's somewhere around 2016 to 2018. It's a WRX. We are specialized for the Subarus, just to let you know. That's on a serious note. So any of your Subarus, we can do rebuilds. We can do the regular OEM fluid services also on the Subarus. So if you guys do have any Subarus, you can just hit us, and that's the best one. I love the color of this car, and most of the trim in the front is carbon fiber. And let's move to the next car. I think it's a 92. Yeah, it's a 92 Honda Civic, and it's a JDM engine. Perfectly, like you see the golden top wall cover, and big turbo. It's not a regular turbo, it's a big turbo, giant turbo. So that's one of the kind car I ever see on the show in the JDM spec. So this is a good. And we got here, next car is a Mustang. Yes.
I'm seeing a lot of people seeing that. Hopefully they show up.
Yeah, they show up. So we are here on the Likomali booth, and that's our one of the best friends. So they most likely help us with new technology, new spec, new viscosity oils. And this time we got this 0W on our shop. That's the newest one we got it. Most of the Mazdas and Toyotas 2026, 2025, they are capable of this oil. So if you guys need any of the services on your brand new vehicle, you can hit us. And there are a bunch of exciting things here from the Likomali you can choose through. And there are a couple of more shows coming up soon. And just track the Likomali on Instagram to get the beautiful gifts on the. All right, guys. So that's it for today. We are almost done on the show, and we are wrapping up our cars and going back, head to the shop. See you on the next vlog for more information on Emric Auto. You can just subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos and updates. Thank you so much, guys.